So guys, today on Chrome Key, this is what we are going to do on Chrome Key Sony Vegas 15. So how to do this on Sony Vegas 15. Very cool tutorial and very powerful. So guys, let's get this video started right now. Let's do this. It's fun. So you can see, super cool, super cool, super cool. So guys, we are going to do this right now on professional way with Sony Vegas 15. So let's get this started. Subscribe, like for more tips. Yeah, what up guys, about Shira TV and more vid. Wow, so today tutorial we are going to how to use Chrome Key on Sony Vegas 15. You just download Sony Vegas 15, you just bought it. So guys, I know some of you will be thinking that, wow, I need to get Sony Vegas 15. Yeah, it's good to use Sony Vegas 15 because it's an upgraded tools, very easy to use, don't used to hang or give problem. But I will advise you don't install your old one because you want to use Sony Vegas 15. All you need to do is to use both. You can try the Sony Vegas 12, 14, 13, 11, whatever, but you can still upgrade to Sony Vegas 15. So guys, let's get it started. So how to use Chrome Key. So the first clip I will use on my Chrome Key is green screen. How to use green screen, how to crop green screen out from the green screen, how to remove the green screen from any video. So let's do this right now. So guys, so let me start with this clip because I want to do so many crazy clips. All we need to do is to, first of all, we need to take this down here. See? Okay. See, look at the green screen right here. So we need to remove this out, but we need to do this. Let me add money clip so we can do this. Let's let this video look crazy. I'll be adding an Iron Man passing through the green screen. Iron Man will be passing through the green screen. So guys, this is not very hard to do. You have to add multiple green screen and make it as a video to make it look cool and very awesome. So guys, let's do this. Wow. So let's drag the Iron Man clip down. I think we should take this one up, and let's add another one clip, like maybe, I think this one will be very good and okay. So guys, let's get it started. Let's see how it will look. So first of all, you need to do is to drag green screen. Wow, see, max, show max. Just make it a little more cooler, more deep. No. Okay, you can toy with this. You can use this to toy to make it to look more awesome. So guys, let's do this. Let's see. Let's play the video from the starting again. So let's remove this. Let's add a little bit. Add something like a moon on it. Let's add something like a moon on it. So let's remove the green screen on the other video. Green screen, you can see it's very dark. Now let's see. Can you see? Okay. Let's check. Let's see. So let's see if we can add something more cooler. Let's add it. So let's drag the moon clip down to there. Wow, I know some of you will feel so boring because sometimes this take a lot of time to do and it's not that easy. Oh, sorry. In case you delete something out like this, to delete, then you press Ctrl Z to bring it back. Oh. So guys, all you need to do is to add a moon or something to make it more cooler. So all you need to I got a perfect video for that. Sorry guys for the so see, pop out there, very cool, very lovely. See, use the clips more a little bit, drag it. See, let's see again. Ladies want to start. Let's see how cool this look like. So guys, as you can see, this is very easy to do and it's very cool. You can turn your green screen effect or edit to more cooler stuff to do on green screen effect. All you need to do is to add more green screen, have a perfect background for that, and do it very cool. So this tutorial is for Sony Vegas 15 and I hope you guys do enjoy this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you all. Bye.